roar of the engine, the sharp sound of the board popping, and the perfect moment when the last cut is complete. The sawdust falling like raindrops sparkling in the light. Get ready to discover all these wonders in today's video. Welcome to the world of TechGiantX, where technology and engineering become living art. Wood fell in a flash. The lumberjack turned a towering cedar into a souvenir in just 3 minutes. The giants of nature crumbled quickly before the skillful hands and extraordinary strength. With just a hydraulic press, some scrap metal, and some serious ingenuity, this guy turned his idea into reality. Bam! A powerful wood splitter that's both efficient and optimized down to the last detail. Get ready to be amazed by the results. You won't believe your eyes. Can you imagine the sheer terror of tons of giant logs coming towards you? This is a scene straight out of a nightmare. But remember, cedar is not only a gift of nature, but also a symbol of durability and warmth. Join us as we enter the wonderful world of Japanese woodworking, where beautiful logs are lovingly cared for and delicately processed. Each piece of wood is magical, from the natural grain to the perfect cuts. Follow along and immerse yourself in the journey of transforming raw wood into masterpieces. Can you believe it? The LKT-81 just pulled a massive 20 cubic meter log. That's right, folks. That's 3 times the normal capacity. This machine is a beast, built to last and withstand the toughest of challenges. What do you think of the LKT-81? It's just awesome, right? Say hello to the HSM 405H, the ultimate high-performance logging machine, born to conquer the toughest challenges of large-scale logging operations. With its incredible power and absolute stability, this is not just a machine, but the perfect mechanized solution for the logging industry. And with a price tag of around $44,000, it is an investment not to be missed, ensuring lasting value and outstanding performance. Hold on to your hats, people, because what we are about to witness will blow your mind. These brave loggers are performing incredible feats. With no safety harnesses, no protective gear, just their bare feet and sheer courage, they scale towering trees and fell them with a single saw. It is incredible. Can you imagine their courage and skill? When the W130 and Kesla 25 RH2 come together, it's not just a machine. It's a symphony of power and precision. Productivity has skyrocketed, and you can bet the operator is celebrating a big win right now. This is what pure engineering excellence feels like in action. In the long-anticipated showdown, the Husqvarna 572 XP and Stihl MS462C showcased their incredible finesse and raw power. Both chainsaws delivered outstanding performance, making the competition intense and thrilling. In the end, who will come out on top? The suspense is real. Get ready for an epic finish. Wow, this is unbelievable. The Foley Belsaw 14, an old-school sawmill, just turned massive trees into perfect lumber for building homes. It really makes you think about how things were done back in the day. Pure hard work and hands-on craftsmanship. There's something truly special about seeing history in action like this. This is exactly why you should keep a safe distance from dangerous areas like this. Have you ever wondered how people used to bring down giant trees before chainsaws even existed? Let's dive into this video and see how they did it. Trust me, it's mind-blowing. Watch along and let me know what you think. Do you really think this bridge is strong enough for that massive truck? I'm seriously wondering why they'd even risk trying to cross it. If you've ever dreamed of tackling massive logs right in your own backyard, the Montana MD90 is the answer. With a powerful 33-kilowatt engine and the ability to handle logs up to 900 millimeters thick, turning these beasts into lumber has never been easier. Get ready to take your woodworking game to the next level. If you loved today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below to let me know what you want to see me build next. Your feedback means everything. Let's keep the creativity going.